Hey, this is Jeff with Team ALBA Racing, just showing off our new Razor XP here. Hey, this is Jeff with TeamAlbaRacing.com. We're going to go ahead and do our first baseline dyno run here on the 2011 Razor XP.
Top speed roughly 69 miles an hour.
Okay, this is our second dyno run here with the 011 Razor XP. This is an open end cap on the exhaust that we remove the spark arrestor.
.09, roughly half horsepower gain at the wheels by removing the arrestor. No real increase on top speed, but a little more on the overhead. Hey, what's happening? This is Nate with Team ALBA Racing. Just want to show you how badass one of these new Ranger XP 900 sounds with the air horns opened up and the box lid off. Horsepower at the wheels, stock with AIRBOX open. Alright, so this is Nate with Team ALBA Racing again. I want to show you guys, and we don't recommend trying this at home, but we've got the exhaust unplugged on this new 2011 Razor 900 XP, and we've got the intake uncorked completely on it as well. So this is as completely uncorked as possible. Bear in mind I am wearing headphones. This thing is loud as you know what. That right there is good for about another 2 horse at the rear wheels. We're up to 71.91 bone stock uncorked.